If your Windows laptop battery drains after shutdown, then you are at the right place. Here is a detailed guide on how to fix the problem. This is the Windows Club. According to the reports, battery level drains to 30% or less when users turn on their laptops after shutting them down. In some cases, the battery level drains to 0%. If you are in such a situation, follow this video to fix the issue. Let's get started. Method 1. Disable Hibernate Mode. Hibernate mode is designed for laptops and might not be available for all PCs. Hibernate mode saves your open documents and programs to your hard drive and then turns off your laptop. Though Hibernate mode is a power-efficient mode and consumes less power than the sleep mode, it can be the cause of this issue. You can fix the issue by disabling the Hibernate mode on your laptop. Here is how to do it. Type CMD in the search menu and right-click on the command prompt. Select Run as Administrator. If you are prompted by User Account Control, select Yes. In the elevated command prompt window, type powercfg.exe/hibernate off and then press the Enter key. Exit the command prompt and you should notice the option to hibernate will be missing from the shutdown option in the Start menu. You can also follow this guide for more details. Method 2. Turn off Fast Startup. Fast Startup is a feature in Windows 11 or 10 that allows your computer to turn on faster after shutting down. Sometimes Fast Startup causes issues on a Windows computer, so you can disable Fast Startup and see if it brings any changes. Here is how to do so. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Set the category to large or small icons. Select Power Options. Next, click on the Choose What Power Buttons Do option. Uncheck the box for the Turn on First Startup option. For details, you can follow this guide. Method 3. Disable USB Power Off Charging. Some laptops have a power off charging feature. This feature is enabled by default. It can be a useful feature because it allows users to charge their USB devices by connecting them to the USB port of their laptop even if the laptop is turned off. If your laptop supports this feature and is enabled on your laptop, this can be the cause of the battery draining issue after shutdown. You can check this feature in your system BIOS or UEFI. Refer to your manufacturer's support website to know whether your laptop model supports this feature or not and how to turn off this feature. Some laptops like Acer have this feature available in the Quick Access menu from where you can turn it on and off. The process of booting into BIOS differs from system to system. You can check the manufacturer's website for the exact process to boot into your BIOS. You can also take the help of the user manual to boot into your BIOS. Method 4. Change the Intel Management Engine interface properties. Many users reported that the issue was fixed after changing the properties of the Intel Management Engine interface driver. If your system has an Intel processor, you can try this fix. Open the Device Manager using Windows Search. Scroll down and expand the System Devices branch. Look for the Intel Management Engine interface. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power checkbox. Click OK to save the changes. Method 5. Run Battery Health Check. If the problem persists, the issue may be associated with your laptop battery. You can follow this guide to run a battery health check. Windows 11 or 10 has a built-in tool called PowerCFG that can help you generate a battery health report. This battery health report will help you know whether your laptop battery is working fine or not. The PowerCFG is a command line utility, therefore, you have to launch the command prompt as an administrator to run this tool. If you do not want to use the command line utility, you can follow this guide to install third-party laptop battery test software and diagnostic tools on your system. Many computer manufacturing brands have developed dedicated software. These tools or software help users keep their systems healthy by installing the required updates. You can also install tools or software like HP Support Assistant, My ASUS app, Dell Support Assist to test the health of your battery or run a battery health checkup. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.